I have fake cameras, but I don't have real actually.
Oh, so you have the...
You're the ones where you can like press
I
the little
have
button. Are you serious?
Continue to wage a battle aimed at undermining confidence in the election count.
Oh! Oh my God! What the?
KCBS AM, KFRC FM, and HD1. San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose.
Yo.
.com station.
You okay, man?
Who just hit who back there?
After I dropped that maple on my neighbor Mitchell's above-ground pool.
All cease and desist.
No, Tom, they insisted I cease with any future treatment. Got the cost for it. And then to hire somebody on because I'm allergic to sawdust and ladders.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God. Good morning, Martha. Where you from?
Hi. Good morning. I'm from Queens, New York.
Yo, Queens in the building.
Yeah.
Stop. Yo, Queens gives the money. Facts.
All sweat, I came to up a shape 45 because of you. It's that skatoscope how you let Paul Rosenberg trying to show me. That can last 4 hours. That I swear to God, I ain't believe it. Please say it ain't so. The big bad bully of...
No. No. Did not. No, he's not. He's not. Cleaner, less invasive, and at a fraction of the cost it would take to replace it. Stop tripping over uneven. The day I went to see Dr. Robin Carson at Carson Hearing Care in Fort Worth. With a simple hearing evaluation, she recommended hearing aids from Widex. The first hearing aid that doesn't sound like a hearing aid, delivering a more pure, natural sound, and even better, there's no struggling with batteries. They're rechargeable. Find out if the Widex moment is right for you by scheduling an appointment today.
Okay, Garmin.